So today I would like to thank you for continuing this bootcamp. In this video we will discuss about some other concepts of Tableau. So let's get started with this video. Uh, let's create a basic visualization using region. So creating a visualization is very easy in Tableau because we have to just drag and drop. So click on region, drag it and drop it on rows, and let's take a measure, maybe quantity, and drop it to columns. So you can see this is a bar chart which is automatically created, and we can see different regions and we can see which region is performing better on basis of quantity. So West region has sold almost 17.5k quantity of specific products. So if you want to, this is a horizontal bar chart. If we want to just transform it or to vertical bar chart, you can see this option. This is swap rows and columns. So click on this. Now we can see that very easily we have created a vertical bar chart using region and sum of quantity. Now another thing is currently we can see that West is performing good, but if we just sort it, so this will perform better because at a very high level we can see that it's in descending order. So yes, West is performing good. Otherwise, if there would be so many bars and it is jumbled up and down, so you have to see which bar is the highest. So it's better to sort these value on the bar charts. Now let's color it on basis of quantity. So if pick the quantity and put it on color, and you can see that the darkest the color of blue shows us the maximum quantity, and if we go down to south, we can see that the color is the lightest, and here is the legend that minimum quantity is 7048, which has the very light blue color, and as we go up to the maximum quantity, we see the dark blue color. We can change the color of the bars by going into color, edit colors. This is automatic, so we can change it to green gold. This is my favorite. So green is the maximum quantity which we can see, and as it comes to the lowest quantity sold, so it is yellow. So this is the lowest quantity sold for south. Now we can see that it's somewhere, the quantity for West is somewhere around 16k and 18k. If we hover on it, then we can see that it's 17,552. But if there are so many bars, it becomes very difficult to hover on each bar and see what is the quantity exact. So let's do one thing. Let's drag quantity into labels. So you can see that labels have been reflected now, and we can easily see that West has 17.5k of quantity sales, and East has this much, and other regions as well. Let's do one thing. So 17,552 doesn't look good to me because we can convert these numbers to thousands. So let's right click on it, click on format, go to fields, click on sum of quantity. So you can see that there is an option for default numbers. Click on numbers, and here you can see numbers custom. So in the standard you will get no option. You have to go to custom and select units, thousands, which is k. So you can see these numbers have been changed. It is showing as 17.55k. So this looks good to me, and this is a basic bar chart that we have created, and we have used several options. Let's just revisit what we have done. So we had created a horizontal bar chart. Let me just transform it. So we created a bar chart like this. We placed colors on it. We used text labels on it by using this label, and we also used formatting to convert these numbers into thousands, and we see this option to swap rows and columns to create a vertical bar chart. So this is all for this video. Let's continue this series to learn more graphical charts and visualizations and some other types of filters and other options that we have on Tableau. See you guys soon.